This time we drawing train provided with bus. Do you want to draw like this? How to do? Let us start together. Hello everyone, thank you for visiting VFK channel. I hope all of you are healthy, blessed, and successful always. First of all, before making a drawing, let's prepare the drawing tools to make the sketch. Paper, pencil, ruler, eraser, and subject model that we will draw together. How to drawing? According to many smart people and my experience in drawing, there are 3 steps that must pay attention to. 1. Making sketches and line art. 2. Coloring, shading or coloring step. 3. Final finishing step. 1. Sketch making step. Why do we have to make sketches? The purpose of making sketches is to drawing the image easier to make as we want. For example, if there is a mistake, it can be erased and then corrected easily. How to easily make a sketch? Make a sketch with light and thin pencil eraser and the drawing paper. After finishing, then scratch the pencil with firm line eraser. If the unnecessary lines are erased and one main line is left, this is the line art of our drawing. What pencil do you use? You can use any pencil you have. For your information, the incident a train collider with a bus is occurred in Tulungagung, East Java, Indonesia in 2022 and 5 people were reported dead. After the sketch is finished, let's continue to coloring, shading or coloring tab. With coloring or shading the image we made. Why do we have to color or shades our image. Coloring or shading the image aims to further beautify the image we make. The image will more live and more three-dimensional looks. How do I do it? Coloring from the dominant color. Then we continue slowly to the minor color and so on until we finish the image. What kind of color material is good to use? You can use any color you like. The finishing step is when your image is preferred to be displayed or exhibited, so it must be frame protected so that it does not easily become dull and damaged. This video not bothering you, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much to all of you. God bless you. Don't forget to see my next video. Dadah.